Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and happy spring and happy Easter. Today I am going to show you guys how I decorated my dining room for spring and Easter. My style of my dining room is rustic glam. I didn't do many changes in my dining room. Pretty much everything is the same except for the flowers and a few tablescape items. I usually change them out, but most times have the same furniture pieces and wall art pieces in my dining room. I think once you change your styling of your tablescape, that brings in a whole new look in your dining space. I'm going to start with my tablescape, and on my table I added a beautiful centerpiece. Violet is a beautiful vase I purchased from Ross. The very detailed eggs are from Pier 1. The large, beautiful DIY container is from the Dollar Tree. The little small container, egg container, is also from Dollar Tree. Lavender plastic plate is from Dollar Tree. The white plate is from Dollar Tree. And the beautiful napkin rings are from Pier 1. The glasses, Pier 1. The chargers are from Amazon. Napkins, Amazon. And the beautiful placemat, the one on top, is from Amazon, and the one on the bottom is from Ross. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour, and if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys next time.